So in this video, I'll be talking about some of the best short-term courses that is great and help to get a good job in short time. In this video, I will include only those courses that is very helpful in this digital era. So firstly, we will discuss CFP, Certificate in Financial Planner, and the second, we will going to discuss PGDM, and the third, we will going to data science. Timeline has given in the description box, you can check it out. So let us talk about very first topic, that is Certified Financial Planner. CFP is offered by FPSP India. After this course, you are eligible to take a financial decisions for some companies, startups, or some individuals. And one of the great thing that this course is recognized by 25 countries globally. If you are a certified financial planner, you can get a job in any 25 countries. Basically, this course is divided into 4 modules, and each modules have their own certificate. In the first module, you will get investment specialist certificate, and in the second module, you will get retirement and risk specialist certificate, and the third module is tax and legal planning certificate. After these 3 modules, you will get a final certificate of CFP, Certified Financial Planner, and the eligibility to enroll in this course is just you pass 12+2 with any stream. From registration to get a CFP, you just need 60k fees, and you have to clear all these 4 modules within 3 years. It is very easy. Basically, people can clear in 6 months and 1 year. Now let's talk about one of the most important thing, that is salary expectation. You can expect salary between 1 to 12 lakh per annum, and that is depend only on your experience and knowledge, what type of knowledge, what type of experience you have. So this is all about CFP. If you want to explore more about CFP, you can get a link. I attach a link in the description. You can take a look at that. So now let's talk about the next short-term courses and very important course, that is PGDM. Interested in management, interested in business, and want to do an MBA, but you don't want to invest 5 years of time. So this diploma course is for you. PGDM, Postgraduate Diploma in Management. PGDM is basically depend on industrial knowledge. After doing 2 years of this diploma course, you can get a job in bank, management agencies, or companies that is required to management, and this course is generally business related. So after doing this course, you can get a degree of PGDM, and you can apply in any of this company and get a good salary base. But the fees of PGDM course is generally vary between 1 to 12 lakh, that depend on institute you choose. So if you talk about eligibility, so you should have a bachelor degree, and after that you can take admission in PGDM. In this digital era, data science is the most trending and demanding field. What data scientists do, what is data science, what all these things. So generally data scientists analyze the data with Excel, with coding, and extract a precious information and knowledge that is basically used in digital marketing. In simple way, data scientists do a research on what are the things that attract people most, what people do like to do. So all these data help companies, startups to manage their campaign, to target specific people, to increase their service, to increase their product sale. So this is basically 3-year to 2-year course that depend on institute. And if you talk about salary, that is only depend on your experience and knowledge. It can be 12 lakh per annum, it can be 50k per annum. That all depend on your knowledge and on your experience. So I hope this video helped you a lot. If you love this video, so please subscribe the channel to stay tuned for the next video.